What's up, guys? Today, I am going to show you how to repair a flat tire with a tire repair kit. Firstly, we use our screwdriver to undo the bolt or screw of the tire. Be aware, air will come out after this procedure. After some air, we use our T-bar with a sharp grip to smooth the rubber so we can mount our repair piece to the flat tire. Then all we do is scrape and smooth the rubber. When smoothing, move the T-bar at a 90-degree angle up and down, and also move it clockwise and anti-clockwise. More air will come out. Now we get our repair piece with the repair T-bar. We put the piece in between the middle of the T-bar so we can get a perfect fit on the repair. Apply between minimal to medium pressure so it fits perfectly and doesn't go too deep in. Now, as it is sealed in, make sure to wait for it to dry as it may fall of its place. After it dries up, we get a knife and slice the remaining bit of the piece for the tire. And that is it. Make sure you like and subscribe and drop a comment for the next video.